Karibu, welcome! Today we're going on an adventure to Kenya to learn the beautiful Kikuyu language. The Kikuyu people are one of the largest ethnic groups in Kenya, and their language, Gikuyu, is spoken by millions. As we explore this fascinating language, we'll also get a glimpse into the rich culture and traditions of the Kikuyu people. Lots of people speak Kikuyu. In fact, it's not just limited to Kenya. There are Kikuyu speakers all around the world. This widespread use makes it a valuable language to learn, whether you're interested in travel, culture, or simply expanding your linguistic horizons. It's a Bantu language, and Bantu languages are known for sounding like music. The rhythmic and melodic qualities of Kikuyu make it a joy to listen to and speak. You'll find that the language has a natural flow that can be quite captivating. Learning Kikuyu helps you learn about a really cool culture with great stories and traditions. The Kikuyu people have a rich oral tradition, with stories passed down through generations. These stories often contain valuable lessons and insights into the Kikuyu way of life. Get ready to learn some Gikuyu. We'll start with some basic words and phrases that you can use in everyday conversations. Whether you're greeting someone, asking for directions, or simply making small talk, these phrases will come in handy. Learning a new language is like making a new friend. It opens up new opportunities and allows you to connect with people on a deeper level. As you learn Kikuyu, you'll find that it brings you closer to the Kikuyu people and their culture. It takes time and you have to really want to learn. Like any new skill, learning a language requires dedication and practice. But don't worry, we'll guide you through the process, step by step, making it as enjoyable and rewarding as possible. This video will teach you easy Kikuyu words so you can start talking and understanding. So, let's go! By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation in Kikuyu and be ready to continue your language learning journey. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of Kikuyu. Saying hello in Kikuyu is super important. It's not just a formality but a way to connect with others on a deeper level. It's how you show respect and acknowledge the presence of another person. In Kikuyu culture, greetings are a fundamental part of daily interactions. Let's learn some greetings together. These phrases will help you start conversations and build relationships. Wimwega. This means good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, all in one. It's a versatile greeting that you can use any time of the day. Uhorowaku. This means how are you? It's a way to show that you care about the other person's well-being. Nimwega. This means I am fine. It's a common response to Uhorowaku and shows that you are doing well. Saying the words right is important. Pronunciation can change the meaning of words, so it's crucial to get it right. Kikuyu vowels sound different than English vowels. Understanding these differences will help you speak more clearly and be understood. I sounds like E in sea, and U sounds like oo in moon. Practicing these sounds will improve your pronunciation. Say these greetings out loud so you can get used to them. Practice makes perfect, and the more you use these phrases, the more natural they will feel. Remember, greetings are more than just words. They are a way to show respect, build connections, and create a sense of community. So don't be shy, start using these Kikuyu greetings today. Now that we know how to say hello, let's learn how to introduce ourselves. It's easy. Ritwariakwa ni. My name is Ritwariaku Nia. What is your name? After you learn each other's names, you can say, Niwega Gukuona. Nice to meet you. Now you can say hello and introduce yourself. Let's learn some more useful words. Ningwenda. I want asterisk Ndugu, please. Niwega. Thank you. Kai munene. Excuse me. Remember to say Ndugu, please, and Niwega. Thank you. A lot. Being polite is really important in Kikuyu culture. Let's learn to count to 10 in Kikuyu. Umwe, 1, Igiri, 2, Ithatu, 3, Inya, 4, Ithano, 5, Ithathatu, 6, Mugwanja, 7, Inyanya, 8, Kenda, 9, Ikumi, 10. Knowing numbers helps you tell time and count things. Here are some words about time. Muthenya, morning day, Utuku, night, Rushi, tomorrow. Let's practice a conversation. Engaging in dialogue is one of the best ways to improve your language skills. It helps you get comfortable with the flow of the language and understand the nuances of pronunciation and intonation. Today we'll walk through a simple conversation in Kikuyu, a Bantu language spoken by the Kikuyu people of Kenya. Person 1, Wimwega, Ritwa Riakwa ni Kamau. Good morning, my name is Kamau. Ritwa Riaku Nia, what is your name? Person 2, Wimwega, Ritwa Riakwa ni Wanjiru. Good morning, my name is Wanjiru. Niwega Gukuona, nice to meet you. Person 1, Niwega Gukuona o. Nice to meet you too. Uhoro Waku, how are you? Person 2, Nimwega Asante, I'm fine thank you. Practice talking to someone to get better at speaking. Engaging in regular conversations can significantly boost your confidence and fluency. Try to find a language partner or join a language learning group. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are part of the learning process. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself speaking more naturally and effortlessly. Additionally, listening to native speakers and mimicking their pronunciation can be very helpful. Watch movies, listen to music, or follow podcasts in the language you are learning. Immersing yourself in the language environment will accelerate your learning process. Happy practicing. Great job, you've learned a lot of Kikuyu. Let's go over what we learned. Greetings, Wimwega, Uhoro Waku, Nimwega. Introductions. Ritwa Riakwa ni, Ritwa Riaku nia, Niwega Gukuona. Other words. Ningwenda, Indugu, Niwega, Kaimunene. Numbers. Umwe tu ikumi, time, Muthenya utuku rushi. Keep practicing. Learning a language is about more than just words. It's about learning about the people who speak it. The Kikuyu people of Kenya have a really interesting culture. They care a lot about family, respecting older people, and the land. Kikuyu culture is shown through music, dancing, and stories. Stories are important in Kikuyu culture. They teach history and important lessons. As you learn more Kikuyu, try to learn about Kikuyu stories, sayings, and songs too. Subscribe to this channel for more such language learning tips.